Welcome to the official Wondershare PDFelement channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take a PDF and turn it into a clean, editable PowerPoint presentation without the usual headache. If you've ever tried to get a PDF into PowerPoint, you probably know how messy it normally is. It loses the formatting, the images don't come across, the tables fall apart, and you end up rebuilding the whole deck by your hand. With PDFelement, you don't have to do any of that. We'll quickly clean up the file first, convert, and we've got a beautiful presentation at the end. Open PDFelement and load the PDF you want to work with. For this video, I'm using a market research report. Before we convert anything, it's worth getting the file in good shape, because a cleaner PDF means a cleaner presentation on the other side. So let's start over here. Go to the Edit tab at the top of the screen and click Edit All. Now the whole PDF behaves like a normal document. Click into any text box and start typing. You can fix numbers, rewrite a heading, change the font, adjust the size, or change the color if you want. You can move text boxes around, replace an image by clicking it and dropping a new one in, and tidy up the layout. Nothing gets locked and you're not recreating a single page. Everything happens right there on the file. If the writing itself needs work, the built-in AI assistant takes care of that. Highlight any block of text and a small AI toolbar pops up next to it. Click the AI icon and choose Rewrite for a cleaner, more professional version, or probably summarize something, actually whatever you want. In a matter of seconds, this thing reads the context and you receive completely new text. No copy and paste, no jumping between apps or tabs, or you can call it as you want. The AI does more than just rewrite. It can proofread the whole document and catch spelling and grammar mistakes. It can translate sections into other languages. It can change the tone, for example, make it more formal, whatever you want. And if the file is long, you can open the AI chat in the sidebar and ask it to pull out the key numbers or summarize a section for you. It reads the document and gives you the answers, so you know everything is accurate before it goes into your slides. Now for the main part, the conversion itself. This is where PDFelement really saves your time. Once your file looks the way you want, head over to the Convert tab in the top menu and select to PowerPoint. Choose where you want to save it and click Convert. That's basically it. Here's why this matters. PDFelement uses an industry-leading conversion engine, so it doesn't just dump your text onto slides and call it a day. It actually reads the structure of your document. It recognizes the layout, the images, the tables, and the fonts, and it rebuilds all of that as a properly organized PowerPoint file. Open the new presentation and the formatting is right there, exactly where it should be, and every text box is fully editable inside PowerPoint. You can fine-tune a slide, adjust the order, or add your own notes. And then you're ready to present. So instead of spending an hour copying content across and fixing broken formatting, you've gone from a flat PDF to working slide deck in a couple of minutes. The text is polished, the layout is intact, and the file is ready to use. No manual cleanup, no second guessing whether something got lost along the way. And that's the whole process. Clean up your PDF, let the AI handle the writing, and convert it straight into PowerPoint, all inside one app, with none of the rebuilding by hand. It's a simple workflow you'll come back to for every single report and document you need to present. If this video was useful, like and subscribe. So you can give it a try right away. All the necessary links right in the description. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.